The Leads section allows you to manage the first contacts with potential customers. Every time someone will contact you for information or to request prices, we're talking about a lead. In this section of DTS, we can quickly add a new lead, even while you're on the phone directly with the customer. Simply click on New in the top left corner. Here, you can enter the lead's basic information and send your colleague a reminder with an action to be carried out. For example, it may be necessary to call the potential client, or you already have the information to send a quote. By clicking on Check User Calendar, you can easily access the commitments of your colleague, see when they're free, and choose the day when to assign the action. After you save the contact card, the reminder will automatically be sent to the chosen collaborator, and their commitments calendar will be updated. On the lead screen, you can see the list of all contacts. On top, above the list, you can filter your search according to some parameters: the code, the name, the origin, the destination, the status of the leads, or the reference year. To access an existing lead in the list, you must click on the assigned code. If the results of the actions will be positive and you'll be asked to submit a quote to the potential customer, you can click on Generate to create a sales file which will appear in the Sales section. All the best with your work. See you in the next video.